Want to unlock powerful Instagram features like insights, promotions, and the professional dashboard? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to switch your Instagram account to a professional account using the latest Instagram app update. First, open the Instagram app on your smartphone and tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once your profile page opens, tap the three lines menu in the top right corner to access your account settings. Next, scroll down slightly and tap on Account Type and Tools. Inside this section, you will find the option called Switch to Professional Account. Tap on it and then press the next button to continue. Instagram will now ask you to choose a category for your account. You can either browse the available categories or use the search bar to quickly find the category that best matches your content or business type. After selecting the correct category, tap on Switch to Professional Account. Wait a few seconds while Instagram processes your request and loads the new settings. After that, Instagram will ask whether your account is a creator account or a business account. Choose the option that best suits your profile. A creator account is ideal for influencers, public figures, video creators, and personal brands, while a business account is perfect for companies, online stores, and professional services. Once selected, tap on Next again. If Instagram asks you to complete additional setup options, simply tap on Not Now. Finally, tap the cross icon at the top corner to finish the process. Congratulations, your Instagram account is now successfully switched to a professional account. After switching, you will unlock several advanced Instagram features including Professional Dashboard, Detailed Account Insights, Post Performance Analytics, Audience Engagement Tracking, Boost Post and Promotion Options. Using a professional account can help you understand your audience, improve your content strategy, and grow your Instagram presence more effectively. If you want to take your Instagram account seriously in 2026, switching to a professional account is one of the best first steps.